Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can spend your coins on AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. In this home page, here you can see the coin section, tap on it. In this page, you will see the available coins in your account. Here, if you click on earn more coins, you can see different options to collect coins. So you can check these options to earn more coins. Now, if you scroll down, here you can see different products where you can use your coins. For example, I'll select this item. So this is the products page. You can see the products details. Once you check everything, tap on buy now button. Next up, tap on continue. This is the confirmation page for your order. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can see the summary section. Over here, you can see the saved option. Tap on it. Here you can see 60 coins has been used for the discounts. I only had 60 coins in my account, so that gives me $0.58 discount. If you have more coins, you will be eligible for more discounts. Now, this discount will be deducted from your total paying price. Once you check everything and select your payment method, you can tap on place order to proceed further. And that's it. That's how you can get discounts by using AliExpress coins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.